Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant error VAN1067 on Windows 11. First, press the Windows key, type Services, and press Enter. The Services app will open. In the list of services, find VGC. This is the Vanguard service used by Valorant. Right-click on it and open Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic, then click Start to run the service. After that, click Apply and OK. Next, you need to make sure TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS menu. Inside the BIOS, go to Security Settings. Find TPM or PTT or FTPM and enable it. It depends on the motherboard. If you are using an AMD motherboard, the option will be FTPM. If you are using an Intel motherboard, the option will be PTT. Also, make sure Secure Boot is turned on in the boot settings. Save the changes and exit. Now go back to your desktop and right-click on the Valorant shortcut. Click Properties and open the Compatibility tab. Make sure Run this program in compatibility mode is unchecked. This helps the game run normally on Windows 11. Finally, open the Riot client. Go to Settings, then Valorant, and click on Repair. This will fix any broken or missing files. After completing all these steps, restart your computer and try launching the game again. Thanks for watching.